Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been a while and let's get straight to the point. So I made this scenario in Adobe Illustrator. I wanted to show you how I made this laptop in Illustrator, which looks almost like the one I have, HP Pavilion. So first things first, let's open Adobe Illustrator. Any kind of format you want. I'm gonna enlarge it a bit by clicking Artboard and maybe clicking Alt like this. And now next step is to import the picture. Now, if you're like me who can't draw anything difficult or has trouble to visualize things in perspective, then because of that, I always use images as reference. So I typed in Google laptop illustration to use it as reference, and downloaded the image. So the image looks like this, nothing else. And we are going to configure it and make it look like our laptop. Ctrl-Shift-P is shortcut for place. And I have the image here. I'm going to drag it like this. And of course, lock it and create a new layer. Now I'm going to take a rectangle and start from screen. I can't see strokes very well, so I'm going to make it yellow. And then copy, Ctrl-C, edit, place, paste in place. And I'm looking at my screen as well to see how, what kind of measurement it has. And it's quite narrow here and a bit wider at the top and bottom. So this is how my screen looks. Also, I want to make a little depth here, like it has between screen and the edge. So I'm going to copy it, edit, paste in place, Alt-Shift. I think this will be enough. I have different connection here between monitor and keyboard. So this is all filled up and I'm going to do it a bit later. But first, let's draw a rectangle again. And let's work with direction, what is called selection, direct selection tool. So what I want is this side to be dragged here. So I'm going to click Shift, first click on this point and then Shift, drag it and align with the edges of the screen. Now here too, and let's connect this pot. I'm going to use pen tool and also click Shift. I'm going to select this one, Shift this one, and with Shape Builder tool, Shift M. Let's join. Okay, I think this looks good now. Let's see, preview. Okay, not bad. So we're back. And the next thing is to make a keyboard and a touchpad. And for that, I have actually taken a picture of my laptop's keyboard. Let me download the picture. So this is the picture I have and import it. I'm going to make another layer underneath, and that's import. Now maybe make another layer and call it keyboard. And let's do this. I'm going to use guides, rulers. We need rulers. And let's drag like this. So as you can see, the picture doesn't look good, but I think we are gonna make it work. And I'm gonna start with space. We need a stroke color for it, and let's begin. So the shape should be the same, so I'm going to copy this one and maybe try to align later. Don't forget to press Shift when you're dragging it, and Alt is for duplicating it. I always have trouble using Align tool. It's like never works for me. Next one. Let's go duplicate this one. And remember, even the picture looks different to be aligned. Keys should be aligned. So they should be aligned with this one, if you look at your keyboard. This should not be aligned according to my keyboard layout. But the pause button should be aligned with this one. Now I'm gonna do this tiny little button, which is on, off button. That was easy. And what is left is numpads. Okay, I'm gonna delete these guides because I don't think I need them anymore. Okay, one thing that I don't like is that the distance is bigger here than with the other ones. So the solution will be take them down. Yeah. My reference image. We forgot all about this one. Here we go. Forgot touchpad. How could we? I'm gonna duplicate it and have it here and group it in case I'm going to destroy some things. And I don't need the image anymore. And I'm gonna group this one too. So we need to round the corner. So let's get out from the group. Our keyboard is ready. Now only thing that is left is it to place on this one, which is not an easy task to do. I don't need the image for now. I'm gonna shrink it a bit. But the thing is that my laptop is bigger, so I think I have to make this part bigger. And one thing I'm going to do is maybe take out, ungroup, and take out Touchpad from this. And then group again. Now this doesn't look good, does it? But what we're going to do is that Illustrator has this function, distort and transform, and free distort. Now unfortunately it doesn't give you a preview. That is very bad for me. What we can do is play with it a lot. Now this looks like laptop. This is good, but no place for a touchpad. That is a problem. Again, fix distort, free distort, and let's do this. Okay. Yeah, much better. We need this to glow like it does on the picture. So we need to add another effect, and this will really make the Illustrator a bit heavy. And we can add another. This part can't be seen at all, so we need to make it inner glow. Now it looks like it is a touchpad. Maybe we can also enlarge this screen. It looks really big here, so you might not like it. What you can do again, you can shrink the keyboard. Still big, but hey, you know how to make a laptop now in Adobe Illustrator. Just take an image as reference and then play around. Make your own adjustments, make your own laptop, and you also can add some cool wallpaper here. This is not cool, but I'm just saying that you can make some cool wallpaper. If there's something you want me to show you how I did here, please comment down below and I'll try to do it again. Thank you again and see you soon.